Hi guys, just want to do a cold start video for Mazda. It's on Bring a Trailer right now. Okay. Hasn't been started today, so I'll show you the temp that it's at. There's no temp. It's like below C, so hasn't been started. The engine is under. You have to take this off. It's just wait, let's get some lights in here. It's just this screw, this comes off, and then it's underneath the seat. So let me know in the comments if you want me to like feel the engine and everything. But if you see right now, there's no temp. It's right there. It's 0, 0. It's below C. Hasn't been started today. You'll hear it's quiet. There's no weird sounds or anything like that. There's like a wait, how do you turn this on? 'Cause I can't see in here, it's super dark. There you go. Okay, it's like a fluorescent light in here. There's no smoking or anything like that. Yep. I will upload driving video and a walk around video and everything. Just wanted to do the cold start. Okay. Thank you.